Hello everyone. My name is Vivaswanth.
I'm Shaina.
And I am Adruth.
We are the puzzlers. So, our solution is a kit which helps people learn to solve logic puzzles using physical puzzle pieces.
But it does not end there.
We've developed an accompanying app that not only guides students but also trains them to articulate their problem solving steps.
In today's competitive world, students face an array of challenges presented by rigorous exams and aptitude tests.
Even when students attempt to practice logic puzzles, the available resources mainly provide correct solutions, neglecting the crucial methodology behind problem solving. That's where our solution steps in, introducing a unique approach using manipulatives to bridge the gap between abstract thinking and concrete understanding. Our journey began with extensive primary research, including surveys and discussion with peers, adults, and educators. The results were telling. Our respondents found logic puzzles interesting and were eager to attempt them, but were not able to solve them successfully. To design our app, we looked at many logic puzzles and narrowed down on a few which illustrated the common methodologies used in puzzles. We then made the puzzle pieces using sunboard, wires, and paper straws. We used MIT App Inventor to design our app. Our kit contains instructions, the puzzle pieces, and the QR code from which users can download our app. It provides a tangible experience, allowing users to physically move puzzle pieces, making abstract processes concrete. The app ensures not just correct answers but also right methodology, fostering improved articulation.
Remove one square from the top row.
If selected for top 400, we will scale this app to include more puzzles. We will make the instructions available in more languages.
I worked on the app and worked out the logic for the puzzles.
Vivaswanth and I worked on the models and writing of the instructions.
We all have worked on the research and documentation.
Join us in transforming the way we approach logic puzzles.
Let's empower the learner not only to solve problems,
But also express their solutions with confidence.
Thank you.